You buy over-ear headphones for the gym, then they slide forward during burpees. That means great sound still becomes annoying gear. So I'm counting down to the pair I'd actually risk for light and moderate workouts. Bad clamp means fake workout headphones. Pick for movement level, sweat risk, controls, and ANC. Let's move. Number 6. Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones, 2nd Gen. This is the Bose upgrade for crowded gyms, comfort, noise cancelling, and adjustable awareness. It fits lower-impact workouts where you stay mostly planted, like lifting, machines, or stationary biking. The app lets you adjust ambient sound and customize the sound profile for different gym moods. That makes it easier to hear what you need without giving up the quiet feel. The trade-off is security during faster movement. These can be stable for lifting, but may slip during running or exercise classes. Also skip them if you prefer physical buttons, because the controls are touch-sensitive. Choose them for comfort and control, not bounce-proof training. Number 5. Anker Soundcore Life Q 2020-24. This is the sensible cheap gym pair, not the pair you baby in a case. I'd pick it for moderate movement when you want ANC, app EQ, and a sound that feels pumped up. Its V-shaped tuning pushes bass and treble forward, which suits workout playlists better than podcasts in a quiet room. The trade-off is the build. It feels more plasticky, and it doesn't bring the IP certification that makes the TREBLAB more reassuring around splashes. Skip it if you want a premium-feeling headphone, or if sweat protection is your deciding feature. For budget workouts, though, the idea makes sense. Number 4. TREBLAB Z7 Pro Wireless. Here, the reason to care is simple. Splash resistance moves from wishful thinking to an actual rating. I'd choose this for outdoor workouts, sweaty gym sessions, and people who don't want fragile feeling over ears. IPX4 is the hero spec, because splashes are less scary when your headphones aren't totally unprotected. The sound leans energetic, with bass and treble doing the motivational heavy lifting. But you have to accept the preset personality, because there's no companion app EQ or sound presets. The outer ear cup coating is also a cosmetic weak spot. Skip it if you want quieter ANC or precise sound tweaking. Number 3. Sony WH-1000XM4 Wireless. Want the Sony app experience without jumping into the pricier Sony lane? This is where I'd start. It's the mid-range pick for workout machines, walking, lifting, and moderate sessions where lighter over-ears feel less annoying. The useful proof is app-based EQ with warm tuning, so you can keep the bassy gym feel or pull it back. You also get on-ear controls, which I prefer over guessing at gestures mid-workout. The trade-off is toughness. This doesn't feel as solid as the WH-1000XM4 Wireless, and its ANC isn't the outdoor low-rumble specialist. Skip it if wet conditions or rough bag treatment are normal for you. Number 2. Sony WH-1000XM4 Wireless. This is the crossover pick, gym pair today, everyday ANC headphone tomorrow. I'd buy it if you want one over-ear that handles workouts, commuting, desk time, and bass-heavy playlists. The warm sound and very emphasized bass make it easy to enjoy without fiddling, especially when your playlist is doing the motivation. But the workout problem is control and stability. Touch controls aren't as dependable as real buttons when you're moving, and the fit can shift during harder sessions. Skip it if your workouts are intense, sweaty, or full of quick transitions. It's strong, but it's still not the gym-first answer. Number 1. Bose QuietComfort Headphones Wireless. This is the pair I'd actually choose for most over-ear gym buyers, because it respects the boring stuff. Comfort, buttons, ANC, and a warm, bass-emphasized sound matter more than chasing the flashiest spec. The proof is the control setup. Physical buttons are easier to trust when you're changing volume between sets. That fits light and moderate workouts, where you want background gym noise reduced without fighting the headphones. The trade-off is still the over-ear format. Sweat can wear on pads, and the stable fit isn't meant for high-intensity movement. Skip it if you do classes, sprints, or hate bringing nicer headphones into sweaty places. Here's the fast sort. Pick Bose QuietComfort for the safest gym balance. Pick Sony WH-1000XM4 Wireless if you want one pair beyond workouts. Pick TREBLAB for IPX4 splash confidence. Pick Anker when budget matters most. Pick Bose Ultra only if adjustable awareness beats button feel. Before buying, be honest about movement. Over-ears make sense for lifting, machines, and walking. They make less sense for sprints, jumpy classes, and heavy sweat. Prices and availability can shift, so check before you buy. My pick is Bose QuietComfort for most gym users. Go Sony WH-1000XM4 Wireless for daily use, TREBLAB for splash worries, and Anker for budget. If that helped, links are in the description. That's the brief, fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.